Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.
हाय गाइस, दिस इज संदीप। आज हम लोग नॉट पेस जाने वाले हैं और वहाँ अपनी कन्वर्टेबल गाड़ी खड़ी करके लड़कियों के रिएक्शन लेने वाले हैं कि वो इस गाड़ी के लिए क्या रिएक्शन देती हैं। तो आई एम श्योर आपको वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगा, तो प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच द वीडियो। आई विल मीट यू आफ्टर द वीडियो। थैंक यू। हाय, डू यू नीड लिफ्ट? लिफ्ट? Hello ma'am, you wanna go for a ride?
I don't think so much.
Let's go for a ride. What's crazy about it? No? Okay, sorry. Hello ma'am, you wanna go for a ride? No? Come on, it's a beautiful car. Let's go for a ride. Hello ma'am, you wanna go for a ride? Come on, let's go for a ride. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia?
Yes.
Hi. How long you been here? Inga?
Yes.
I'm asking how long you have been here in India.
Yes.
1 year? Oh wow, never seen you. I keep moving around here. Is this the first time you are here? Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Very good car.
Yeah. I like red color. Hi. Let me.
Oh, I think it's very comfortable car.
Yeah, it is. Can you press the pedal? The other one.
Yes.
The other one. The other one. Yes. Press it. Press it.
Oh, very good car. Yeah.
Give me your phone. I'll take the photograph.
One second. I will take some pictures.
You wanna go on a ride? You wanna go for a ride in this?
But I
You cannot? Why is that?
because I don't have knowledge.
That's okay. I can take you for the ride. I give you a ride and then you give me a ride back.
Thank you.
Welcome. Let me. So where do you want to go?
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place in CP is my bar. Have you been there? No. So when we are like a group of 4 or 5 people, we go there. Otherwise, we go to Chanakya or maybe Nehru Place. Have you been to Saket?
Yes.
Yes, you have been. Okay. All right. Any? Yeah, sure. By the way, this is not my car. I was just taking care of it. It's my friend's car, yeah. So I'm just waiting for him. Once he comes, probably we can all go, and then he can drop me and drop us somewhere, and we can have fun maybe. Let's go out, yeah. Let me text my friend. Oh, he's there. It's his car actually. So that's my friend Shivam. It's his car. You wanna go with me or him?
I think I can go with him.
Okay, you wanna go in the car. Whoever is driving the car, right? Okay, you can talk to him if you want.
Maybe he can ride in the car.
Back to me. Actually, he has a girlfriend. He is not interested.
I just want to
But we can go out.
ride in the car. Why not?
We can go out. Probably I can take Uber or maybe auto rickshaw. No? No? Okay. Next time? Oh God. I thought today is my lucky day. So, you wanna dance with me? Yes. Cool. Yeah, it's cute. I am cute, you are cute. Let's go out, have drinks. Pressure, right? You like vodka? No? It's hard for you? What do you like? Martini? Wine? Okay, red wine or white wine? You wanna sit here? You wanna sit here? Probably yes. Yeah, I think so. I can sit anywhere. Yeah. Okay. So what are your hobbies? Languages? How many languages do you know?
I know Spanish.
Okay. Have you learned Hindi? Have you learned Hindi? A little bit? Some words like? What do you know? Namaste. Okay. And what do you know? Do you know I love you? Yes, you know I love you? I got you. Yeah. So we can just go out, have fun maybe. What do you like doing? I mean, do you like partying? You wanna go to a secluded place? Or do you wanna go for a movie? What do you like doing with your boyfriend? You like watching movies? Which one is your latest movie you watched? And you liked it?
It's my favorite, Titanic.
Titanic? You wanna have a Titanic pose here? Probably we can do it, yeah. Yeah. I can probably, teach you spitting. Have you seen the spitting scene in Titanic movie? Where Leonardo teaches Kate how to spit far? No? Have you seen that? Yeah.
And he's a very good teacher.
Yes. Yeah, she actually teaches him how to do it. In fact, I don't remember. Probably it was Leonardo. Yeah.
I also like picture.
You like picture?
Picture. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yes.
He did picture.
Okay. Oh, the painting?
Yes.
Yes. The famous one.
Yes. Very famous.
Have you seen that? Or just in the mobile or computer? Only computer? Okay. You like drawing? Yes? Okay.
I like painting.
I can also draw. I can draw your picture. You're very beautiful.
You can try.
Yeah, I can try. I can probably just click your photo. This is what I dream. So, what else? What do you like about India?
I like India because India has too much tradition. It's very old tradition.
Mhm.
Have many old architecture, very beautiful buildings.
Okay.
I like Indian movies.
Okay.
I like dance. It's very beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, I like dancing too. Let the car come. I'll take.
But sometimes it's too much.
Oh, it's too much spicy. Okay. Have you been to Goa?
Yes.
Yes, you have been. Okay. You like there?
Yeah.
Like the place?
Beautiful place.
Beaches?
Oh, beach. Yeah.
So you like beaches or you like mountain? I mean, you're a mountain girl or a beach girl or both? Both. So you like playing with snow also? Have you been to any place in India where you saw snow?
Something different.
In India, have you been to a place like Manali where you saw snow or no? No? Okay. So there are places like Leh, Ladakh, Manali. You must have heard of these places? No? You haven't heard of Manali? No? Okay. I think car is here. You wanna go on? You wanna go for the ride? Let me ask him. Give me a quick moment. भाई गाड़ी दे दे मेरे को यार, घुमाना है तो हैं? 10 मिनट के लिए दे देगा? प्यार से चलाऊंगा. He's saying you will have to dance with me so that I can. He wants to see you dance with me. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So you like Indian songs?
Yes.
Which one is your favorite song?
No. Saki Saki.
Saki Saki Nora?
ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बात.
Yes.
Oh yeah, she's a wonderful dancer. Can you dance like that?
Oh.
I'll be your fan if you can dance like that. You can or you cannot?
I cannot.
You cannot?
But I want.
Okay. You want to do it?
Yes.
Alright. So I would like to reveal something to you. My name is Sandeep and we are from a YouTube channel and we are recording something. Can you see that guy over there behind that? Right, so that guy is recording our conversation as well as us, and we're gonna put this on YouTube. I'm sure I'll get your consent. Alright, so we will do something for the camera. Our visitors will like you. So you wanna have something? You wanna say something for our viewers? They would be happy to. Let's go there. Alright, let's stand here. So beautiful car, beautiful girl and beautiful guy. Whatever. Yeah. Okay, so how do you like India? Can you tell our viewers about India, a little bit about this experience, and can you ask our subscribers to like, share and comment please?
It's the first time I experience.
Okay.
I like very beautiful cars.
Oh, thank you.
Very interesting guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Because it was funny.
Oh, it was funny?
Yes.
I was thinking of taking you on a date. Okay. So it was funny guys. Please like, share and subscribe अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, and comment करके हमें ज़रूर बताएं कि आप हमारे वीडियोस में और क्या देखना चाहते हैं, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, can we hug?
Yes.
Okay.